guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another product review for you all, or demo, and this one is going to be for an air fryer. Now this one is from the guys at Lofter, and as you probably are watching, it's really small, right? So I'm really excited to unbox this and just see exactly how big or how small this is. So included in the box we have an air fryer recipe book, and we have the operating and safety instructions. So let's just set that one aside. I just want to peep inside of here and see what they have. They have some really lovely pictures for the food. Look at this: roasted Cornish game hen, salmon with dill sauce, stuffed garlic mushrooms. So we have appetizers and entrees, jerk chicken wings. Let's see if they have dessert. Crunchy dill pickles, kale chips. That's really interesting. So grilling or cooking vegetables. So it's a really nice recipe book. Potato croquettes. I need to do a recipe for this for you guys. Burgers, grilled cheese, kids meals. So a combination of different types of dishes or meals. So let's just get the plastic off of this. Look how small this is, guys. Like, it's like this tiny. Have you ever seen an air fryer this small? I would recommend, if you're a student and you're living in your dorm and you don't have enough space, or if you're living in a studio apartment, if you have a really small apartment or your counter space is very limited to put things on, but you really want an air fryer, this is so perfect. Look, this is how small it is. The foot space is so small, and I still have tons of space here on my counter. So let me just get the plastic off of the cord, and then we'll go ahead and open up the machine. And the best part of all will be testing out this machine. So guys, the button or the dial to operate this is on the top here, and it goes from off to 170 to 250 to 230 to 400, which is just enough for what you will need if you were using an air fryer. And you would just turn the dial to which one you want, and then you turn it this way, you will hear a click and it shuts it off. So guys, this is the dial in the front where you would turn it to the timer. So this is the timer dial, and I'm not going to turn it because then I'll have to wait for it to reset. So we have the power and the fan light. So what I'm going to do is plug the machine on. Well, first I'm going to give this a wash because I want to test it out, and then we'll move on. So when you plug on the machine, you're going to turn your timer to the temperature that you want. So we want it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna set the timer to 20 minutes, and we're gonna put our chicken into here, which I probably should have done first before putting on the timer and stuff. Goes into here like this. So once you put it in, your device automatically comes on. You hear the fan working, and all you have to do is for this timer to count down. Of course, you can pull it out and check it halfway through. If it finishes before time, you just take it out and allow the machine or the timer to run until it reaches a 0. So I'm gonna leave this to cook, and then we'll come back and we'll check on it. Okay, so this just turned off on its own. It reached a 0, so we're just going to pull this out and check on the piece of chicken. So it does have a really nice color, but before you can cut, or before I can cut into this, you need to allow it to cool down properly, let all of the juices redistribute, and then I'll go ahead and cut it so you guys can see. So I'm just going to cut into the chicken breast. Wow, it's nice and moist still, and it's perfectly cooked. So if you guys are interested in owning one of these machines to get nice grilled chicken and a healthy grilled chicken, click that little arrow for the description box to open up. The link to purchase will be in that description box. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.